fresh, so clean, can't win with it. That song in my head. And I can't win with it, just move your body. Fresh, so clean, it. I wonder if I could put Kaya on here and she don't flag me if I use her music. I love that Kaya shit. So that was Kaya. Okay, when that shit first came out, we was in high school and our mamas, we used to get ready for school, listening to what was that, Kaya? My Neck, My Back. We get ready for school early as 7 something in the morning. My Neck, My Back, bang. Get us going for school. Get picked up. Put my shit on. Can't wait with it. Yeah, I can't wait with it. Let's smooth your body. That's my fucking shit. So fresh, so clean, so fresh, so clean. That beat was so cold with it. Y'all, I'm in a good mood. My family came to visit me, y'all. And my family, they ain't no like everybody live in the same city, everybody from the same city, everybody can just come over to your holiday. It ain't no shit like that. I'm talking about these people I ain't seen it in years. Child. My mama had mainly all boys. My grandmama had mainly all boys. She only had 2 girls, my mama, auntie. All boys, okay? There was a whole bunch of niggas. I was thinking today, like, Lord, I wish I had some more auntie. My auntie, she crazy. She was talking about calling the feds and police and shit for no reason. She be wishing jail on motherfuckers and shit. But she just an evil ass bitch. You know what I'm saying? So I was thinking earlier, like, damn, I wish I had. Excuse me, did y'all hear that? I just be wishing that I had my motherfucking. I wish I had more than one auntie. Then here, Uncle Kane, his wife. I said, okay, see, y'all done answer my prayers that quick. So we're gonna be going out of town and stuff. They don't live here. They out of state and shit, but. Talking about coming back. Why? I don't know. Ain't shit here, but it was good seeing him. It was all good. I showed him pictures of his son, my cousin from like 10 years ago. It was December 25th, 2010. And I recorded his son singing and stuff like that. He was a baby. Well, he was like 4 or 3, but you know, my little cousin. And our birthday is on the same day. So that's probably why we vibe that little baby, you know. I ain't seen it. That's my first time and my last time seeing my cousin. I want to see them again. But y'all, I had some, I mean, you know, because family for me is like, I'm always dolo. We ain't really gotten, you know what I'm saying? It's like, it's just really just me and my mind, you know what I'm saying? So for us to have them come through, it's like, dang, you know, it feels like a sense of normalcy, okay? Feel like a fucking sense of normalcy. For real. So I'm fucking my dad's side. They allowed him to just, well, I ain't gonna say they allowed it, but they ain't, I don't think, Anyway, that motherfucker wasn't shit, and wasn't nobody around there advocating, like, go get me, come get me, go pick her up, go get her, No, so, any motherfucking way. Any motherfucking way. Yeah, y'all, I'm happy about that. So I'm about to roll up. I know y'all like, bitch, roll up. Hey, look, I'm straight. What you think I'm doing now? I'm sorting this shit out now, my guy, my G, my girl. Sorting this shit out now. Y'all, why they had that serial killer on fucking Court TV today? Court TV. Okay. The serial killer I was telling y'all about, where I showed y'all the pictures and shit. He killed 6 people since December. Where they found him at was like a little mini bird. They was like calling the city, but he ran across the street to the birds, right? 8 Mile divides, you know, Eminem shit, yeah. So that shit divide, right? And so this nigga was at the adult bookstore trying to get his beat on, and and trying to get his beat on. Motherfucker was like, okay, we gonna beat your ass, all right? Y'all developing motherfucking story. Let me tell you, y'all. So this motherfucker got caught at a dark book store. But guess what the big controversy is surrounding this? You would never fucking believe. You would never believe The controversy surrounding this is that cereal, I'm telling y'all, grab your fucking sweat. You know what? Let's just wait until, okay, like, share, subscribe to the channel. I'm all over the place. Like, share, motherfucking subscribe. Subscribe, share, motherfucking like. Whatever's in the middle first, subscribe and like. What the fuck? Yeah. This shit, right? Hey. God damn it. Okay, we're gonna listen to the scanner while I get some shit together because y'all, I got some tails. No freaky tails, but these are some other tails I tell so well. I know I'm cornball sometimes, y'all. You know I'm cheesy corn. Cheesy corn. Surprise! Get that corn on my face. Is she crazy? Now listen to the scanner, y'all. Okay, while we rolling this, listen to the scanner. Somebody got stabbed and shit earlier. But whatever. Y'all, we in the motherfucking middle of blizzard. This gonna be called Winter Blizzard because it's a blizzard, y'all. It's a blizzard today, y'all. I'm still out here saying fuck this shit. See? Motherfuckers run across the freeway talking about y'all jumping in the car. Damn it. Let me call my mom and see if she heard that. Cause she be listening. Let me wait till that. Yeah, I got subscribed on my other channel today. It was a guy. I was like, okay. That motherfucker on the freeway, so he got the threaten to motherfucking cross that bitch. Damn. Sad, Lord, watch over him, Lord. Please, Lord God. I bind that enemy. I bind the enemy. No, he ain't shit. I thought she walked. I didn't even see her pull up on the side of me. But yeah, y'all, so this motherfucker here. There, I can't wait to tell y'all. Hold on, I'm trying. Look, I got my weed in here, y'all. I'm about to, oh, that's a good view. Of course, I'm put some more in here, but let me break this down first. I like this little view. Okay, you got it. You can see it. You can see it. You knew it. You knew it. Yeah, this motherfucker caught in the bookstore trying to fucking beat his motherfucking meat. And like, bitch, you gonna kill 6 niggas? How come the fuck you can squeeze a nut out? Like, you gotta be in a calm state of, and they say he always up there. They say he came up there and got kicked out for smoking crack, but that ain't even a motherfucking story. Oh, this shit juice. This shit juice. This shit big juice. What happened? Oh, what, you can't stand that when you lose a buddy? You can't find that bitch that quick. That bitch done bounced somewhere. 6 Mile Southfield area, he said. Is that what that nigga at? Lord. And this too motherfucking slippery out here. We done been in a storm. Motherfucking slipping. Motherfucking slide into his ass. Is he serious? What was... See, that's that enemy shit, y'all. Y'all, mental health is so real, y'all. Like I said, I don't give a fuck if you stressed, depressed or not. You know I'm going to see that motherfucker. That job done ran my ass up to a doctor. That damn job done ran my ass to a motherfucking doctor. Doctor said, you is motherfucking stressed. Said, yeah. And I know it too because I be snappy and shit. Like motherfucker say something. If you mention their motherfucking name, I go crazy. Ooh. Let me stop now. That shit, I need to heal. I need to motherfucking heal. But y'all, this shit going down. So what's been up with y'all? Y'all, it's the end of February, the beginning of March. Who is...
Along with another unit. Again, we are around the DDC. So 1-800. Get on that. We're working on getting you a scout.
Yeah, it's a movie. So you gotta break this shit down. You got these motherfucking buds be motherfucking so hard and shit. But this is enough for me and my weed. Okay. Look, see, this is enough for me. This is enough for me. I'm about to roll it up. He want to keep turning back. Nigga, I can't help but keep looking for it, motherfucker. Shit. Ain't nobody watching you. I'm looking for it, nigga. People retarded. People retarded. You looking back like, what you looking at? I'm looking out my window, nigga. What the fuck? He just want me to turn around and look at the... You feel me? It's too motherfucking cold outside. You're trying to look and worry about me. You better get your ass in that liquor store. I'm about to get me something. Nah, I ain't gonna get me another drink. Y'all, wait a second, though. I gotta tell y'all. Y'all, this shit crazy. I done got the scanner going. The scanner kind of want me to keep it on. What's going on Pennsylvania? Snow melting, making noise. Got that nigga, I know that. That's right now. Yeah.
75 radio. 75.
See, that's why I don't like stuffing my blood to the end, because it just be falling out any damn way. I like to just stuff my blood. It's close enough to the end, then I tear that shit off. I like this. I like all my weed and my fucking shit. So some people can't smoke weed because they make them retarded. Like my boy said he can't smoke weed, it made him slow. You just gotta probably just keep smoking that shit until you get used to it or something. This shit used to make me hallucinate until I keep smoking it. Like, it did one time though, like crazy bad. I gotta tell y'all that story. Yeah, my boyfriend had taught me how to motherfucking smoke weed for real. That nigga told me how to suck a cloud. I got high than motherfuckers start seeing all types of shit, y'all. I ain't gonna go off into that. It's another day, another story. Whew, let's get this in, because I cannot wait to see you Negroes today, because you already know I can't smoke without you. I had a little piece of joint earlier today getting me through when I took my business. A little bit before the storm came through. Now I am... Now I'm about to light it up. I don't know why this lady looking over here, y'all. I want to show y'all who he is. Oh, he don't want to look.
Okay, copy.
Yeah, that motherfucker. He just kept his eyes on me. Look at it, look at it. I want to show y'all. Oh, no, that ain't him. He ain't even. That was somebody else. That nigga. But yeah, y'all. Toast to the family. They don't know this channel, but still. Toast to the family. I'm glad I seen them. I'm glad they came through.
I know you still have a few more minutes on your call, but I need to pull you from your call for an auto accident, and I'll give you the rest of the minutes later. Discharge 62.
You can tell the weather bad. They talking about auto accident. So, here we go, y'all.
Okay, which unit is that again?
Ouch.
Okay, 6 foot, you in Plymouth. What's your location for the accident? Plymouth and Marshall. Okay, I have 6-2 coming to you now.
I heard my pinky trying to save my phone. That phone fell right on my damn. So look, niggas and niggas, what the fuck happened? Guess what the fuck happened, right? Okay, it's a little zoomed in. Oh well, who gives a fuck? Come to find out, this motherfucking serial killer. Let me turn them on. Okay. Come to find out. Did y'all like, share, and subscribe to this channel? This nigga was a motherfucking informant for the DEA and the ATF. Back in the 90s, I think for the ATF, and I think most recently, DEA. This nigga got a motherfucking crime. This nigga got a criminal background, criminal record, okay? Longer than Safari's, okay? This nigga got all sorts of firearm weaponry and shit all in his shit, right? Oh my goodness, all these types of stuff. So, this nigga should have basically been locked up. That's what the family, that's what the city and everybody's saying. Why the fuck was this nigga not in jail or not on probation or something like that? In police custody. Oh. With his background. Oh. He was out because he was a motherfucking informant? Really? A crackhead / serial killer / ATF DEA informant / motherfucking serial beater. Okay? Yeah, obviously was overdoing it. They say he been in there. So the janitor was in the store, the bookstore. She said he was on the clerk was like, he was on the loud side. I think that's a serial killer. Serial killer obviously heard him, ran the fuck out, ran across 8 Mile and shit. It was like, yeah, that's him. Alerted authorities, that's how he got caught. But my thing of it is this. He was already in police custody. So they like, a nigga with such a fucked up background, as long as that nigga can give us, can feed us who we want. You know? Drugs. ATF, DEA, that ain't nothing but drugs and guns. So, with all that being said, I know this is very far-fetched, but do you think anybody who's ever been investigated or like criminally charged for those shit that he was a witness in, like, do you think that it can be like their charges can be like thrown out, like they can appeal and shit? I mean, how credible can a motherfucking witness be? He's a crackhead. Damn, I don't give a fuck if he beat his meat. Ain't got shit to do with his, I mean, what the fuck? They got a criminal background. You let a motherfucking fucking criminal with a motherfucking, what is it motherfucking called? Y'all know. What was on the tip of my tongue? It keep coming to me in the fade. It keep coming to me in the fade away. Not a professional, a criminal. What is it called? Damn. Anyway. Motherfucking professional, a career, that's the word, a career criminal. You got a career criminal. I think this look better in red. You got a career criminal. And he's working for you? Child. Yeah, this is real better. Child. Bye. Get the fuck out of town. I know it's a little jagged under there. Don't worry about it. Whole group named Jagged Edge made money, so it doesn't worry. Jagged Jagged is accepted nowadays, right? Little Jagged Red. Look, hey, play off the musical group Jagged Edge. This is called Jagged Red. So, you mean to tell me my pinky, y'all, when that phone fell, I tried to catch, it's the Robin now. Damn, I won't try to do that again, bitch. Fall. Get the fuck on. That look better. You know what? I'm really like that. Like, if I can see a woman on TV or something like that talk, or even in person, when I see them talk and they put their hand close to their face, and if their lip don't match their hand, it is you have to have on nude fingernails or a nude lip. You cannot have on, I can't have this red, oh, God, that sting. I can't, oh, this is hurting. I don't like the red lip when you got green nails on. Ooh, I have a fit. Orange and shit, and this is some off the wall, like, some purple lipstick, but you got on some motherfucking, you know what I'm saying, red, white, and blue designs and shit. Like, that shit don't look right together. It doesn't match. But anyway. Y'all ignore that on my eye. That's my eczema. I am applying cream on a daily to get it off. Had eczema ever since I was a little girl. I had eczema on the back of my hands, on the back of my knees, like on the back of my hand right here, on my back of my knees, be on my stomach. Nah, just don't be on both my arms. Really more so this right arm or whatever. But yeah, y'all, eczema. Yeah, I thought I didn't grow out of it. I grew out of it, but you know I did grow out of it in most areas. That's the only thing about it. Like, only place it stayed is like on my arms. Like everywhere else, I grew out of it, which is fortunate. I can't complain. Ow. Shit, that shit sting. And I got this acrylic. It wanted to pop the fuck off. Damn, I need to put this bitch in some ice, but I'm afraid it's gonna hurt even worse. You know what I'm saying? How you you get burnt and you put some cool. Ooh, don't do that. If you get a burn, don't put no cold water on it. Don't even touch nothing cold. That's why it's good, even if you're a male or a female, it's good to have aloe vera in the house because aloe vera is for burns and it comes with a natural coolant. Promise you. I've had a burn on my leg. And as soon as I put the aloe vera on it, it stopped burning. It feels like, it gives you that cool, it's like a eucalyptus. It gives you that cool sensation. Like, you know, it gives you that cool sensation you're looking for, and it relieves it. Ooh, aloe vera on a burn, y'all. I promise you. And when you take it off, it ain't gonna burn even worse, like with water. Just get a plant. Just get a plant, y'all. Get a plant of that aloe vera. Good. You hear me? Good. But y'all. Yes, can you motherfucking believe it? That motherfucker done sat here and done been under the boys, been getting fed by the police. You know what I'm saying? Working, you know, first of all, how can he be trusted if he's ratting? I was just fucking thinking. How can he be trouble? How can he be trusted if he's ratting? So you smoke crack. Oh my goodness, this what they doing? It just come to me, y'all, so I'm so extra with it. So you mean to motherfucking tell me? Because I'm putting 2 and 3 and 4 together. So the bookstore said that they had a problem with that nigga smoking crack, right? So and now they talking about he was helping DEA in the ATF. So you mean to tell me this nigga was taking the crack, like buying crack and shit? Buying crack and shit from the motherfucking drug dealers, and that's how they was popping the drug dealers? He was serving their ass a few times and shit? Is that what the fuck he was doing? Oh, hell no. That nigga was taking... That nigga was like, yeah. He gave me a couple of rocks. Really, nigga gave him 4 rocks. He done smoked this shit on the way. Got it stuck under his nutsack and in his jaws. Y'all, that nigga, Tell old Pharaoh to let my people go. I'm not playing. Let my motherfucking niggas go. They gotta go. Get up. Obviously, because y'all done had a motherfucking crackhead on the job. Smoking, you can't, nah. They be having undercover cops fucking the niggas and shit. You can't arrest these niggas, bitch. You done opened your legs, ho. You can't motherfucking arrest these drug dealers. This motherfucker smoking the rocks. He's a real crackhead. What kind of shit is that? And y'all using this nigga though. This nigga had family and shit around Oak Park looking out for him. That's what he was. Motherfuckers is retarded. You hear me? Motherfuckers is retarded. Motherfuckers, they just take anything to get convicted because they hating on niggas so bad because they got money and they shining and they got their little earnings that they got. I mean, y'all, I'm just calling it out as I see it. That's some bullshit. I done gave accolades to the Bopos. I done gave accolades. I done got a video, give them all types of accolades, how they cool, how they, you know what I'm saying, it was lenient, da-da-da. You know what I'm saying, reasonable and all that. I done made the video. Cause I done did all the accolades, but now I gotta tell the truth. The other side now. This shit on the other side. Now this ain't right, y'all. Y'all, this ain't right. Y'all got an active crackhead assisting in open cases, getting niggas locked up. This whole time, nigga, before and after smoking crack, man, knowing the motherfucking police, niggas was giving them that shit. That nigga was smoking that shit. That nigga had that bitch smell like mad. Had that bitch smell like mashed potatoes all through that motherfucking bitch. Hey, damn it. That nigga had that shit smell like mashed potatoes all through that bitch. That nigga what? No, this is the biggest crack I've always wanted. That loud some Tyrone Biggums type shit. Nah, that's that crackhead name on his type shit. Dave Chappelle shit. The fuck? Man, that shit teased me the fuck off because cross your T's out your eyes. You know what I'm saying? Look who you was using those. Like, what the fuck I got to say? And what the fuck he got to say for himself? They didn't know. Besides, they didn't fucking know. Of course, that's the easiest. That's the easiest to say. You ain't know. That's easy. Right, they don't monitor them. They just use them and let them go. They don't keep track of them. They don't monitor. They just, you know, that motherfucker could be bodies down in the basement. They don't give a fuck. Just as long as we got you for these drugs. Same drugs and guns. I know niggas got no motherfucking gun factories around this bitch. We ain't got no motherfucking poppy seeds growing for cocaine leaves and shit. That shit's put here, then they use crack. Damn it. Shit, they bait you with the crack to sell. They bait you with the crack to smoke it. Just to bait you. Y'all niggas dropped the ball on that DPD. At my highest voice, y'all did. Y'all dropped the ball on that one, y'all.
Campbell Street, they have a person with a weapon. According to someone in the apartment 305 hasn't done no further info at this time.
Say it's winter and motherfuckers ain't outside with the crime, they inside with it. Damn though. Y'all, the one of the mothers of the first victim, she's like, I'm not gonna stop until I get answers on why were you working with the serial killer. Oh, why was I working with a serial crackhead, a serial killer, a serial crackhead killer? Died at the hands of a fucking snitching ass dope fiend. You know what I'm saying? He killed like 5 men and 1 lady. That shit hurtful, y'all. That shit fucked up. Like, we need any more elements on this earth to kill each other. And you know what? When that nigga made it to court, because you know, our shit don't make it in the D on no motherfucking court TV like that. It gotta be some major shit. But you know why that shit made it major, though? Because, you know, niggas ain't known for doing no shit like that. Niggas ain't known for having that series, that SK, that's what we gonna start calling. They gonna keep saying serious. He ain't known for being an SK. You feel me? So they like, whoa, this is weird. They gotta blow this up. You know, let's shed the light on this. You know, hey, 1 million to our 1. I mean, 1 to our million. You know, hey, that shit's really about. But he do need to be on blast. But that's what that particular shit is about. It's just about niggas don't do that shit. And didn't even make a motherfucking difference. Damn. Don't do it to motherfucking innocent motherfuckers out here. What the fuck? That nigga is dirty. This dirty ass bitch, and that bitch survived that fucking gunshot wound in the right of his head, y'all. That bitch survived that shit at the fucking hospital. They resuscitated his ass. Who fucking does that? They said, but you know what I said out there? It was like, well, at first I was like, well, if he wanted to kill himself and he didn't die, then that's good because he ain't get what he want. But then somebody was like, oh, he can't be forgiven and still make it. But I was like, that's true. But I was like, but a heart like that, he ain't even looking for. He ain't seeking that shit. Hell nah. Hell nah. If that's the case, her, all the other guy victims, everybody in their family, they all get a pass. Shit. That's a damn case. Fuck that. That motherfucker. I don't know. He might even be a vegetable. I don't know, because he did shoot himself in the brain. In the head, ain't no motherfucking telling, though. Ain't no telling, bitch. So that coronavirus and shit spreading like motherfucking wildflower. Hey, us niggas, we ain't gotta worry about that shit, y'all. Let me tell you something about being a nigga. It's a gift and a curse, baby. You feel me? And it's more so only a curse because of the curse. You know what I'm saying? But other than that, you know what I'm saying? Hey, the darker you are, the more nappy your hair is, the closer I think you are, you look to the Lord. You feel me? So, hey, the more blessed you are to me, you more so in his image and his likeness. And that's what I love. You feel me? About being you melanated. But y'all notice the coronavirus ain't in the fucking hoods. It's only like areas. Not these areas, but these areas. Look, y'all, like when you start trying to be so politically correct. Well, I'm trying, nigga. I can't catch myself every damn time I'll be on here talking. But the channel's so motherfucking small, motherfuckers do see this shit now. It's alright. It's okay. It's okay. It'll be okay when the bitch blow up. It's still okay. Cause I ain't saying nothing that ain't. I ain't saying nothing to truth. Nothing. So the corona ain't hitting the cities, you hear me? Lansing got that's the capital of MI. Lansing got they quarantine warning. Everybody is mandatory quarantine at home. You don't hear that about the city. Because of this, it protects from that virus. That's why I can show you right motherfucking now. What ain't saying about? You ain't hearing about no niggas getting that shit. You hearing about only white people and Asian motherfucking people. Let's keep it real. Okay, let's see. It's an African, because I remember a country from who survived. I gotta find this story. I'm just click on one of these stories. I know I just seen that the guy was in the bed. He was next to the nigga in the white in the mask. And they said that nigga survived. They said he came down sick, but he didn't die. He got over it. Hold on. We gotta find that shit. Did Chinese doctors confirm African people are genetically resistant to new coronavirus? Boo, yeah. Brooklyn Zoo. Huh? Shame on you. Shame on you. Chinese doctors confirmed that African people are genetically resistant to the new corona. Let's say it in his name. The rich and famous. New Chinese doctors confirmed the African people are genetically resistant to the coronavirus. With an advertisement by Ascension. Okay. Here we go. Let's look at some of the data. Riverfront Drive, apartment 28F, the Riverfront Apartments for A and B. Caller says he opened his door after a black male knocked on the door and attacked him and his husband, approximately 20 years old, carrying a backpack. Another semi-black male, 6'5", like complected, wearing a dark colored hoodie. And the Riverfront Apartments, did she say a Riverfront? Riverfront is downtown. Them motherfuckers expensive as hell. Them off the water. Is she serious? Them bitches at least a band a month in them apartments. And they probably, and I know they more now. Advanced, yeah. So let's see. In early 2020, outbreak of new coronavirus in Wuhan, China sparked fear that the virus could cause a pandemic. It also inspired a significant amount of misinformation. For example, on February 17, 2020, the website cityscrolls.com falsely reported that a Cameroonian college student studying in China contracted coronavirus, this guy I'm talking about, but recovered because his blood genetic composition, which is mainly found in the genetic composition of a sub-Saharan Africans. If such a claim that people from African backgrounds are more resistant to coronavirus than others were true, one would expect it to be a major news story. Instead, it's being reported exclusively in viral social media posts and junk sites that, because it's not true. Y'all was thinking about something. According to the Center for Disease Control and Prevention, CDC, anyone who comes in close contact with someone infected with the coronavirus is at risk of contracting it. That said, it is true that Kim Snuyu Pavel Darrow, at 21-year-old Cameroon national studying in China, became ill after contracting coronavirus and was hospitalized. His recovery was not the result of a superior His recovery was not the result of a superior immune system possessed by people hailing from African countries, but according to news reports, rounds of antibiotics and other drugs. As BBC News reported, Sanu recovered after being placed in isolation for 13 days. The CT scan showed no trace of the illness. He became the first African person known to be affected with the deadly coronavirus and the first to recover. His medical care was covered by the Chinese state. It's 40 minutes in, y'all. I'm about to get out of here. Ooh, but I'm about to come back, though. As of this writing, the coronavirus outbreak has killed 1,700 people. Okay, mainly China. Millions of people are currently quarantining in and around Wuhan in an effort to contain the virus. So far, more than 71,000 people have been sick worldwide. In the middle of Feb, Egypt announced it had the first reported case in Africa. So, yeah, that's why people running to try to mix. They want that melanin. They want their family to live longer. That's what we're going to be talking about next. So tune back in. Like, share, subscribe to this motherfucking channel. And motherfucking, fuck with your girl. All right, y'all. In a minute. You already know how I do when I get on the road, get on the ball. I be going. Non-stop vids. All right, y'all. Peace. In a minute, though. In a minute. Not peace, just right back.